have a two-story house, and every summer the second floor is always much warmer than the first. It's around 90 degrees outside. I keep my HVAC set to 75 degrees on the first floor, but upstairs it often stays around 80 degrees. So I decided to try BioWind Airboost T6 register booster fan to improve airflow from my HVAC system, especially in the room that seems to get the weakest airflow. Let's start by unboxing it. Inside the box you find the register booster fan, a remote control and a power adapter. The fan is available in different sizes, so make sure to measure your floor register before ordering. This one is designed for a 10 by 6 inch register. Now let's install it. First, remove the existing floor register. Next, insert the new booster fan into the opening and secure it with the two included screws. Then connect the power adapter using the supplied cable. And that's it, the installation is complete. Now I show you how I configured it for cooling during the summer. First, turn on your air conditioning system. On the main screen you will see temperature reading. This is the temperature of the air coming directly from your HVAC duct. In my case, it's about 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, press the right button to switch the unit to cool mode. Now, set the activation temperature. When the fan detects that the air coming from the duct is colder than this temperature, it will automatically turn on and help push more cool air into the room. After using it for a while, I noticed a significant improvement. Before installing the booster fan, this room was almost around 80 degrees, even when the first floor was set to 75. Now the room stays around 60 to 77 degrees, which is about 4 degrees cooler than before. For my home, this register booster fan made a noticeable difference by improving airflow and making the upstairs much more comfortable during the summer.